Hey, welcome back to Beyond Business Insurance, the channel that's going to make you a better buyer of your business's insurance. Click subscribe below so you don't miss my future content. All right, let's get into this. So today I want to talk to you about blocking. If you've ever had the pleasure of getting quotes on your company's insurance program, you've probably heard someone come back to you and say, I'm blocked. Or maybe your current agent's called you and said, I'm blocked. You need to sign this letter. So I want to talk to you about what blocking is first and foremost. So in my very first video, and I lay the foundation for the insurance game and how it's worked. Well, you got to know that insurance companies will only accept one submission from one agent on any given year. This is really important to understand. Okay, so here's what happens when someone's blocked. You have a current agent with a current insurance company. Your renewal time is coming up and you say, I want to go get quotes. Makes sense, right? So you bring in another agent, you talk to them, and when they try to shop them, get quotes for you, they come back and say, hey, I'm blocked. I can't bring anything to the table. Now, instead of getting frustrated, I know you're probably thinking that's not fair. My current agent has a monopoly on things. Well, take a step back. You're not trying to create competition amongst agents necessarily. You're trying to create competition amongst carriers. Agents are just middle people. It's the carriers who dictate your final premium. And that's where you want the competition created. So what do you expect your current agent to do? Your current agent is just doing their job, right? They have you with one carrier, but they're also trying to get alternative quotes to make sure that you're in the best place. And they usually send out a submission anywhere from 45 days to 90 days, maybe even 120 days prior to your expiration date. So when you talk to this other agent, they try to get quotes and they say that, hey, we're blocked. Don't get frustrated. Maybe your current agent's actually just doing their job. Again, this is one of the reasons I'm a huge advocate of just hiring one agent to go to the marketplace for you. Now, the other time that blocking can come into play is maybe you're happy with your current agent, but you just want to look around and you talk with another agent and think, oh, innocent enough, I'll give them some information. They'll kind of go get me some quotes. Well, be careful before you do this because they're going to send a submission to every market that they have access to. When your current agent tries to do their job, they could call you back and say, hey, I'm blocked now. I can't go get alternative quotes. Well, you didn't even want to leave your current agent. They know your business. You like working with them. So if this is the situation, again, you're going to be frustrated thinking this new agent I'm talking to now is blocking my current person. And you're going to have to sign broker of record letters to reassign the markets and all that. You're going to just get all frustrated for nothing. So you need to understand how the insurance game works, which is, again, a carrier will accept one submission from one agent on any given year. Now, next time, someone says they're blocked, after watching this video, you'll know why, and don't get so frustrated by it. And just before you have anyone go shop your insurance, what I would recommend if you're going to use multiple agents, I would never recommend it, but if you do, assign markets so you don't have this whole game of I'm blocked here, you're blocked there, right? Back and forth. Now, one last thing I want to say is your agent might be truly blocking the marketplace and not shopping. They might be kind of being lazy and say, hey, we just want to protect this account. We really like them with this insurance company. We're just going to send out a half-ass submission to all these other carriers to make sure that no one else can get quotes. Now, if this is happening, I don't think most agents do this maliciously, but if you feel like this is happening, there's one way to kind of expose it, and that's to ask your agent for a list of the marketing results at that year's renewal and for a detailed response from those underwriters. That's really the only way to see. But if they have a bunch of generic answers in those marketing results, that should maybe raise a red flag that maybe before next year's renewal, it's time to seriously talk with another agent about making a change of agents and possibly hiring a new agent to represent you. So I hope this helps you kind of understand what blocking means, and hopefully you can avoid it in the future. If you like this video, please share it. And thanks for watching Beyond Business Insurance.